Testing now my bike horn lamp, biking, and let's see if this would actually slip if we go down a bumpy road. I actually did some, see, it actually slipped.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, Simon, and welcome to my channel. For this video, we will be unboxing a bicycle horn lamp. This is a 4-in-1 device, a cell phone holder, a power bank, a horn, and a lamp. I got this online for only around 500 pesos, and this is very useful bike accessory. So I'd like to share with you the functionalities of this 4-in-1 bike horn lamp. Okay, but before we open this box, if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell for so that you'll be notified if ever I do have future uploads. Okay. Anyway, let's see. It says here, bicycle horn lamp, mobile phone bracket. Sorry. Let's see. Product information. Lamp beads. It has 1.5 watts times 3 lumen lamp beads. Next, battery. 18,650 lithium battery. We have two options. We have the 2000 mAh and the 4000 mAh. So what I got is the 4000 mAh because it has a bigger capacity, and since it will be used as a secondary power bank. Also for the lumen, strong light 250 lumens, weak light 75 lumens, flash 250 lumens. Lighting time, since we got the 4000 mAh, that would be 6 to 13 hours. So that's pretty long. For the charging time, if you have the 2000 mAh, that would be 4.5 hours charging time. And if you have the 4000 mAh, that would be 8.5 hours of USB direct charging. So it would really take an overnight to fully charge this device. Next, input voltage, 5 volts, 1 ampere. So you could make use of your cell phone charger, your usual micro USB. Working voltage 3 to 4.2 volts, 5 watts, and working current is 1 ampere. That's it. Also, it has this one, 130 decibels. So that will be for the horn. Okay. Basically, that's it. Now let's open this. Okay. So here's the contents of our bike horn lamp. It has a micro USB. So this would be used as your charger. You can charge your device using this cord. Next, the bike clamp. So you attach this to your bicycle, and you attach the device to this bicycle clamp. And of course, our main device. This is already the 4-in-1 bike horn lamp. But I noticed that it doesn't come with a product manual. So you can't check other functionalities because it doesn't have a manual. But this is pretty basic and pretty understandable. So basically, you could understand this, how this works. So this is the power button. This is the cell phone holder, cell phone clamp. Next, you have here the light. So you have 3 LED lights. And here's the horn. And This is the switch to your horn. That's it. Next, here. So you have here your USB port. So it has the two ports, one for the micro USB and one for the regular USB. Next, let's check. Okay, so just press this button and you would see it has light indicators, and you will see if it's fully charged or not. Okay, for the lights, there you have it. See, you have the options. You just press on this blue button and you will be able to change the light there. So you have the high beam, the low beam, and blinking light there. It only has 3 modes. Okay, next, the horn. So the horn, and this is the switch for the horn. I did check and explore this one and see if it has different sounds, but no, it doesn't have. It only comes with one sound, and that's it. Okay. Can you hear that? Yes, I can hear that, and it's a bit loud. But we will install this in my bike, and let's see if it would be really loud if we are in open air, since I am currently in an enclosed space. And lastly, yes, we will check if we will be able to charge our phone. Actually, I don't have a charger right now, so I won't be able to check it. Anyway, the cell phone holder can actually hold around 4 inches to 6.3 inches of smartphone. So that's it. So I have here an iPhone 6, so it can hold it pretty well. That's it. For the charger, it has a port where you can connect your cell phone cord or your charger and connect it to your power bank. That's it. Now, let's install this and check if it's really that bright. If we're going to use a lamp, and also you will check the loudness of this horn, if it's really good to use in the open air.
Now let me show you the switch to the port lamp. So I actually install it here. So it can be basically very good position. If I'm holding the light like this, so my thumb would be the one to press the button. Okay. So the horn, the sound of the horn lamp is actually pretty decent in open space. Okay. See, it's charging. So you see here, there's a charging port. Let me just remove this one. Remove this. Check the charging port. There's not there anymore. Let's return again. Charging. Now let's test the light. Testing now my bike horn lamp. Biking, and let's see if this would actually slip if we go down a bumpy road. I actually did some see, it actually slipped. So we really had to adjust it. So that's it. But in totality, I actually like it since it has light, it has a cell phone clamp, it has a horn, and a power bank. So that's pretty good. But well, the problem with this bike horn lamp is that it slips. That's it. So what do you think about this bike horn lamp? Did you like it? For me, I actually liked it, and I do recommend this for bikers because it's a pretty good accessory. You have a light during nighttime, and you have a horn. A horn is pretty basic for a biker to make sure that uh, you will be able to give notice to other commuters as well. And at the same time, the phone clamp or the phone holder and the power bank also comes in handy. Okay, so that's it for this video. For my next video, we will be doing some road trip, bike trip. So please join me. See you. Bye bye.